Is your air fresh? The indoor air you breathe can be dirtier than you can imagine. Most major air pollutants are invisible. Common indoor air pollutants are formaldehyde, volatile organic compounds, ozone, carbon dioxide, dust particles, and HCHO. Inadequate ventilation and pollutants emitted from decoration materials and furniture make indoor air quality poor. Exposure to air pollutants can lead to a wide range of adverse health effects. Short-term exposure may cause sneezing, drowsiness, coughing, and headache. Long-term exposure may have permanent health issues, including lung cancer, heart disease, respiratory disease, and so on. So, fresh air matters. Let's take an action with AM300 series ambient monitoring sensor, which provides real-time air quality monitoring. Whenever air quality reaches the threshold, AM300 series will show a bad emoticon, display red LED light, emit beeps, and send out an alert. You can work with an HVAC system to automatically clean the indoor air. AM300 series ambient monitoring sensor is an ideal choice for indoor air quality monitoring. Contact us for more information.